Hello and welcome to this section of the video on how to create gig video with Explaindio Video Creator. Explaindio Video Creator is a professional video creator you can use in creating promo video and also gig video and make your gig video look professional. So we're going to go straight to Explaindio Video. So as you can see, this is the file we're working on, the gig setup we have been working on in our previous lecture. I will design your Instagram posts and social media. So this is the software I've been talking of, Explaindio Video Creator. So with this software, we're going to use it to create our gig video. So without wasting much time, let's go straight. So we copy test. Okay, I will design social media. I will design Instagram posts, social media. So we'll copy this and go to Explaindio. I'll just make it brief and tweak it if you wish. So at the end of this video, I'm going to drop the video link, the download video link, where you can get the Explaindio video software, or you can, if you can't afford it, you can as well chat me up and drop a comment below so that I will see to it on how to get the software across to you. So you click on create project, you name your project. Let's name it Fiverr Gig 101. So we'll create it. Then we'll now add our new scene. So this is our scene. So what I'm going to add, we're going to add animated slide. So go to animation slide, promo business, you can add anything, corporate show, product show. Okay, so there are a lot of designs template that I have here. You can use anyone. Okay, let's say we're using, okay, let's just choose anyone. You can, mustn't be more professional. Run a business. Okay, let's use this. Okay, let's use this protein. No, let's use this. Okay, done sketch. We can add. Okay, go close canvas. Go to slide. Customize that slide. Buy now button. No. So we'll play it and pause it. Okay. Okay. Let's just take this off exclusively on Fiverr. Fiverr.com. So I will design. Okay, you can take this one to another place. I will design your social media post, your Instagram post, social media post. I'll reduce it to 65. See how it goes. Okay, make it 60. Okay, you can change the text to, let's say, green. Make it fainty. Okay, make it red. Make it shouty. Okay, bottom center. Make this bottom. Okay, I will design. Okay, let me make this 240. Okay, special. To make this pmark fiverr.com /pmark_records. Okay, can increase it a little bit. Or this, make it 50. Can increase it, make it a little bit. Fiverr color. Okay. I think this okay. Outline. You can change the outline. Okay, it's okay. Let's preview and see. Especially on Fiverr, I will design your Instagram post, social media. Okay, let's give this a feel of Instagram outline. Let's give this an Instagram feel. Okay, something like this. Instagram feel. Okay, so we are done. With this. Let's preview. Exclusively on Fiverr.com, I will design your Instagram post, social media, Fiverr, blah blah blah. So you can as well add background music to it, audio. Let's put music. Okay, let's preview. Okay, let's add play music. Okay, I think that's all for now. So we've created a video gig. So we're going to export using our wizard. So click on export. Perfect. Read time, and we start export. So we're exporting our video now. Click on export. Gig, Fiverr gig. Okay, let's save. So our gig video is exporting. Let's pause the video until we finish exporting. So our video has finished exporting. Let's play it to be sure. Wow, perfect. Thank you for watching this section. See you in the next section. Thank you. Bye bye.